Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering on the Dell and signing into your account. This gives you access to network settings. Once done, open Settings or Control Panel to locate network adapters, because you need to know whether you'll use Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Make sure the router is online and the Ethernet cable is firmly seated. If your Dell has a Wi-Fi button or airplane mode, toggle it so the adapter is active. This primes the machine for the next steps. Now you configure the actual connection. For Ethernet, open Network Settings, choose the wired adapter, and confirm it's enabled. DHCP normally assigns IP automatically, but enter a static IP only if required by your network. For Wi-Fi, click the wireless icon, pick the SSID, and enter the password. Choose a private or public profile based on trust. Make sure drivers are current. Device Manager lets you update or reinstall the adapter driver, which resolves many. Finish by verifying connectivity. Open a browser or run a ping to confirm internet access, and review adapter details to check IP and gateway. If nothing loads, restart the router, modem, and your Dell and swap the Ethernet cable to rule out a bad lead. If problems persist, run the built-in network troubleshooter or reset network settings to clear misconfigurations. As one key tip, reinstalling the network driver often fixes stubborn issues by restoring default functionality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.